me, the most important thing, aside from the technology, obviously we're in the IT business, so we have to be able to solve problems. But the thing is a bit bigger than that, like everything like at a higher level than that, is that our team feels a sense of camaraderie, sense of similar mindset, and that we're all moving together with the same vision, for the same reasons, and that everybody feels like they have each other's back. And that's a very hard thing to create. So about 10 years ago, maybe it was more, when I merged my company, which was just a very small consulting company, there was only 4 people, including me, with a company called Mindcore. That was overnight exponential growth. We went from 4 people to about 20 people. 2 years later, we did an acquisition of 2 more companies, and I think at our peak we had about 40 or 45 people. We were a really, really big company. I always had the vision of creating like a family in the business and being able to foster an environment where everybody actually wanted to come to work for more than just a paycheck. And I always felt like that because I always wanted that. So finally now, after all these years, we actually have a group of people that all feel like they want the same thing for the business, the same thing for the customers, same thing for each other. And all of a sudden, it feels like the resistance is, I mean, to me, I can only speak for myself, and I think people have said similar things to me in their own way. We finally got to the vision, and now the vision just changes. Now we go higher and higher and farther together. So by bringing everybody together over the past 2 days, it was an opportunity for me to bring in some speakers who were very motivating. We had 3 very motivational people. I spoke, a few other people in the company spoke, but we were all together. The vibe was good. We were eating together, we were drinking together, we were learning together, we were going out and doing stuff together. And for me, that was, this was the first time in it got to be 10 years that I finally felt that, oh shit, we got it, we made it. To where I've been trying to get us to. I was able to use thankfully the means that the company has, everybody in a spot where they were gonna feel good no matter what. We're in Boca Raton, by the inlet where the ocean comes in, and sitting outside in the back eating and drinking. So I was able to give everybody the canvas to feel good, but it was up to them to decide what they were gonna do with the experience. And so far what it seems like is everybody took a lot out of it. And what I hope doesn't happen is everybody goes back home, and like any other kind of conference or something, you get together and you have a good time and you learn a lot, you just go back to business as usual. We finally got to the vision, and now the vision just changes. Now we go higher and higher and farther together.